Okay, so as you guys know, my first business failed. We opened for probably a year, maybe 2 years, and we closed. But I'm about to try again. We about to revamp. We about to turn to a whole new spin knot and get it going. Watch this. See, we got the plans.
Everything,
bro.
Come on, bro. Like,
how much it's gonna cost all together? Say it on camera for me.
On camera?
Yep.
It's gonna be about $153, brother.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Alright, so you gotta let them. No, you gotta, gotta let them. I'm an investor, man. They think this shit is like playing around. Yeah.
That's
I gotta get my bike up out of here. Shit. I heard the man's gonna cost me $53,000 because my first business failed. So I gotta pay $150,000 just to start all over. But we gonna get this shit right though. I ain't doing that black shit no more. I done went up. I'm doing seafood boil now. We need $100 a customer. I ain't doing the fish plates. We ain't doing that. You want a bag of crib legs? All right, stay tuned. The king of crabs. How ironic. I'm opening up in the.
Is the you gotta give it up, bro. You want the restaurant?
Can't do it.
You gotta let it go, bro.
You're so cute.
And then maybe my red ball will come back. It's missing. Say ball. 2, 3. There's eggs inside. Let's see how many there are. 1. This is actually one I made.
Why? What are you wearing?
Hold on, I'm taking this video for this motherfucker.
Really?
I'm on the phone. Can you like hurry up? My friend, come on.
Cool. What's your name? Oh my god. Oh shit.
Alright.
Alright, ready tonight?
Yeah.
You got the words, right? What's the words? Let's go over it. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snoop like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass in a cardi. Straight motherfucker. Hello, motherfucker.
Milk music. Milk music.
Right.
Milk music. Back to it. No, goddamn it. Bring your ass over here.
No.
Get to it.
First lady outside and I'm still what I do. You a little girl, you can't walk in the hills.
Okay.
Alright, come on.
Alright.
What is
Alright. Call them up in there then.
Stop.
5, 6, 7, 8. I'm a
Bad little bitch and I'm snoop like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass in a cardi. I'm a spare motherfucker. Hello, motherfucker.
Milk music. Milk music. Milk music.
Alright, babe.
Smoke detectors on every level of your home and outside the bedroom. Test your smoke detectors monthly.
Popping out. Showing yellow, Adi. Dad, get the fuck out of the car.
Oh, okay. Yeah, come with the bottle and
Old school player.
I'm the bottle in this bitch.
You're an old school player, ain't you? Where your player's card at? Where your player's card at? Let me see your player's card, Pop.
Let me get it up.
Let me see your player's card.
Bam! We need some more money on this. Some more money.
Say no, don't ask. It's another copy.
Pockets in the merch. Take her on the chain.